Laurastar has great quality universal board covers that fit most standard ironing boards. These covers come with your new systems and ironing boards and are also sold separately. Here's the easy install for our drawstring cover. You may notice the cover has multiple layers for best results. The entire drawstring cover will go around the board. We can ignore this ventilation layer underneath that looks like a sleeve. I'll put some weight on the end of the board to hold the cover in place while pulling the drawstring. My steam can easily relax the cover. I can keep adjusting the drawstring until the cover lays flat. Our covers are high quality with padding that prevents the burn or shine we sometimes see from the grate. They are machine washable and fit most boards. When you're in need of a replacement, take a look at the variety of options Laurastar offers.